Born between 1501 and 1507, Anne Boleyn grew up in Hever Castle in Kent before studying in the Netherlands and France. Anne Boleyn returned to England in 1522 to instead marry her Irish cousin James, the 9th Earl of Ormond. However, the plans would fall apart and Anne would instead find herself the maid of honour to Henry VIII's first wife, Catherine of Aragon. Henry VIII began to pursue Anne in 1526 while still married to Catherine, yet Anne refused to become a mistress to the King of England like her sister Mary was. Henry worked on annulling his marriage with Catherine soon after, leaving the Catholic Church after they refused to accept an annulment. Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn formally married on the 25th of January 1533, and on the 23rd of May 1533, Henry's marriage to Catherine of Aragon was annulled. Anne became the Queen of England on the 1st of June, and on the 7th of September gave birth to the future Queen of England Elizabeth I, despite the king's desperate wishes for a son. The marriage was not long lasting, only surviving 3 years. Henry began courting his third wife Jane Seymour in March of 1536, and accused Anne of high treason just a month after. This eventually led to her unfortunate beheading on the 19th of May 1536.